The Turtle and the Monkey. One sunny day by the riverbank, a clever turtle and a playful monkey found a floating banana tree. "Look, monkey, a banana tree. Let's take it and plant it." "Bananas? Yum! Great idea, turtle." "Let's be fair. I'll take the bottom part with the roots and you can have the top part with the leaves." "Fine by me. I'll plant this leafy part. I'll have the bananas in no time." So the turtle planted his rooted part in the soil while the monkey stuck his leafy part in the ground. Days passed. The turtle's tree grew tall and strong, full of bananas. But the monkey's tree, it withered and died. "Hey, that's not fair! Your tree has bananas, mine doesn't." "Patient monkey, when the bananas are ripe, we will share." But the monkey was greedy. He climbed the tree and ate all the bananas by himself. So sweet! I'm not sharing." "That's not right, monkey. We agreed to share." "Oh, too bad, slowpoke." The turtle was sad but smart. He placed sharp bamboo stick under the tree. "Let's see if the monkey likes surprises." When the monkey climbed down, ouch! He fell on the sticks. "Ow! What happened? Help me!" That's what you get for being greedy. And from that day on, the monkey learned a lesson. Sharing is better than being selfish. The Monkey and the Turtle. The end.